Merry Christmas to you all, wherever you are and whatever you're doing. I hope you have a really enjoyable day today with your friends and your family. Today's just an ordinary working day for me. I work in the transport industry, and today's just an ordinary Monday. And I volunteer to work Christmas Day so that my colleagues can have Christmas Day off. Many of them have young children, and it's nice for them to spend Christmas as a family. So I don't mind working, and the pay is quite good, and it all helps fund my travels around Europe. I'm currently enjoying a city break in Treviso in Italy. It's just a few days before Christmas, and it's lovely to get away at this festive time of year. So let's take a little festive walk through Treviso, look at the lights, and you never know, we might bump into Father Christmas. It's absolutely lovely walking around the streets. All the shops are decked out for Christmas, the street lights are up. It's absolutely delightful. And this is a little Christmas grotto. It's actually built into the Lodge of the Knights. This building dates from 1276. And it was a place for conferences, conversations and games for the nobility and for the knights of Treviso. And today they're waiting for Father Christmas. You can see his sleigh and the little paddock for the reindeer and his throne, waiting to greet all the children, see whether they've been naughty or nice. This really is absolutely lovely. I'll just walk through the archway on the other side, and there's a little Christmas stall here selling wreaths and hats and everything you think you need for Christmas. It's absolutely lovely. We have Christmas markets in England, but they just do them so much better when you're abroad. At least I think they do anyway. They certainly put more effort into it and make the whole atmosphere so much more festive. But let's take a walk down towards the main piazza down here and see what we can find. There's a merry-go-round down here and a huge Christmas tree and some decorative shop fronts as well. So let's go and take a look. Down to the piazza in front of the city hall. The giant Christmas tree, the merry-go-round. It really does feel very festive here indeed. So whatever you're doing today, I hope you have a really enjoyable day with your family and your friends. And if you'd like to send a little Christmas cheer my way, then please leave a comment. It would be lovely to hear from you. So thanks so much for watching and enjoy your Christmas day. Merry Christmas.